Look at here, this is your traffic signal. You go by bike or car or bus, any vehicle you can go by car or transport, you should follow the traffic rules. You should follow the traffic signal. When sees the signal, you should follow the lights. Okay, see. And then who is he? Look at this picture. Who is he? He is a traffic policeman. He only rules this signal. He keep us to move to correct place from one road, correct place from one side by other side. See the zebra crossing. We can cross only on the zebra crossing. He will help us to follow the rules, follow the traffic rules. Traffic policeman make us to follow the traffic rules. What are the traffic rules? We should cross by only on the zebra crossing. Then if it is a traffic signal, you should follow the traffic lights. Look at the light. The red says stop. The amber says get ready. The green says you can go. Okay children. So you should follow this. And then some other rules are there. Okay. If you are traveling by a car, you should wear your seat belt. Okay. And then you are going by a bike, you should wear your helmet. Okay. And then you are crossing a road, you should cross on the zebra crossing. These are the rules. It should be very safe for you. Okay, on the road, when you are on the road, these are very helpful to keep you safe. So you should always follow the traffic rules. So he is a traffic policeman. He is very helpful for us when we are on the road. Okay children. So very important job he is doing. Who is this? Traffic policeman. What I am doing? First I was coughing and then I was sneezing and then I feel very feverish. Why? Because now I am very sick. Okay. Then what should I do children? What should I do? I should visit to the doctor. If you are sneeze, if you are coughing or you feel feverish, what will your mummy do? She will take to a doctor. Yes, the next person we are going to see is doctor. Okay. It is an important person in our community. They will cure our diseases. Yes, that is the very important job, isn't it? Yes. See the doctor. Who is she? She is a doctor. How could you find out that? She is wearing white uniform. What is she wearing? White uniform. And then look at her neck. Look at her neck. What is this one? You know what is this one? This is stethoscope. So we can identify a doctor with a white uniform and a stethoscope. And then see her smile, very kind and soft smile she has. Always the doctor will be like this. Okay children. So she is a doctor. They will cure us. They will cure our diseases. Okay. Okay. Look at this picture. There are some pictures for cure our diseases. What are the things we can use cure our diseases with the help of the doctors? Doctor prescribe these things to cure our diseases. Okay. Look at the things. See, if we visit a doctor, if we tell something to her, I am not well, I feel like this, they will prescribe some medicines. Okay. And then we have to buy from a medical shop and then we will use it. What are they? See, the tablet, the tonic, these are all we will use for our disease. And then if they got somebody hurt, they will use the bandage. And then look at this stethoscope. If they are going to check our health with the help of the stethoscope, isn't it? Yes. If you go to doctor, the doctor use the stethoscope on your chest. Yes, like this. And then they will listen to the heartbeat in this way used by the stethoscope. Okay, children. Then look at it carefully. What are the injection also here? Look at here. You are very frightened about the injection, isn't it? No need of that. Okay. It will be very little pain only. But our disease will be cured very quickly. Okay, if you take the injection. Okay, children. So, doctor is an important community helper. We should greet them when you are visit to them, and then we should speak very softly to them. We should respect them. Okay, children. So, she is a doctor. We have seen some community helpers like that. If you have grown up very tall like your daddy, what do you want to be, children? What do you want to be? What job you want to take? What you want to like to do? Can you tell me? See, now I show you some of the pictures what the children want to be. Yes, when they grown up, when I grow up, what I want to be? See, some children are telling here. You also look at this, what they are telling, and follow this very carefully, and after that you also tell me what you want to be when you grow up. Okay, children, look at this boy. See what he wants to be when he grows up. See, when I grow up, I want to be a teacher. This boy want to be a teacher like me when he grows up. The teacher teaches lesson to the children. Okay, this is his job. So, this boy want to be a teacher. Okay. See this picture, children. See this picture. What is she? She is a police officer. This girl want to be a police officer when she grows up. When she grows up, she wants to be a police officer. See what is this girl telling? When I grow up, I want to be a police officer. I want to catch the thief. So, I want to be a police officer. Okay. Then, look at this picture, children. Look at this picture. Who is he? He has some crops on his head. Then, who is he? He is a farmer. So, see this boy. This boy wants to be a farmer. What is he telling? When I grow up, I want to be a farmer. He wants to give food for all of them. So, he wants to be a farmer. Come to the next page. Look at this. Look at this. What is he doing, ma? What is he doing? He paints something, na? Yes. So, this boy wants to be a painter. That means an artist. Who is he? Artist. Okay. If he paints something, he is called an artist. When he grows up like this, he wants to be a artist. Wants to be an artist. Okay. What is he doing? He draws a picture and he paints that picture. So, he is called an artist. Okay. So, this boy wants to be an artist. When I grow up, I want to be an artist. Okay, look at this picture. Look at this picture. See this girl. What is she telling? What is she telling? Can we read? Yes. When I grow up, I want to be a pilot. What is she telling? She wants to be a pilot when she grows up. See this. What is this one? You know very well. It is an aeroplane. It is an aeroplane.